Good morning, children. So we have seen government's many program. Okay, government help to underprivileged group. Some major scheme we have seen, that is midday meal, and this program has many positive aspects that also we have seen. Now come to that recognizing dignity. This is the topic, recognizing dignity. So we have understood by now that the caste we are born or the religion we practice, the class background we come from, these are often the things that determine why some people are treated unequally. When a person is treated unequally, their dignity is violated. We have seen this. The story of Om Prakash Balmiki and Mr. and Mrs. Ansari, people have asked them to change their title. So that is, this is what their dignity was violated, become an issue on the way in which they were treated. So this, up to this, we have seen about the dignity. Now next topic is issue of equality in other democracy. We are probably wondering whether India is the only democratic country in which this inequality and where the struggle for equality continue to exist. The truth is that in many democratic countries around the world, the issue of equality continues to be the key issue. For example, in USA, the African Americans whose ancestors were slaves continue to describe their lives today. They were treated extremely unequally. For example, I am giving you, while traveling by bus, they either had to sit at the back of the bus or get up from their seat whenever a white person comes. For example, you see Rosa Parks. You might have seen, you have read the book, I think, read the lesson. Yes. So the this lady, Rosa Parks, was African American woman. She refused to give up her seat to a white man. That is on 1st December 1955. Her refusal that day started a huge agitation. Then come the Civil Rights Movement. So the Civil Rights Act prohibited discrimination on the basis of race, religion or national origin. So up to this we have read about this lesson. So in this, from the starting, if you just recall, first of all we have seen about that 3 stories according to discrimination we have seen. As our constitution says, we are all equal, but there is in practical discriminations are there on the basis of caste, on the basis of economic background, on the basis of religion and so on and so forth. So what is now your work is to read this lesson thoroughly once. Underline the important lines which you feel that this is important. Okay. Then in the next class, I will give you meaning, and as usual, as you have written history question answer, I suppose you have written. Yes. If you have written, then today you have to say me that yes ma'am, I have written question answer in a copy, history question answer. Then after, now this lesson is finished, so we'll start meaning, and in next class I will give you that NCERT site. I think you know from where to go and where to write question answer, but which questions you have to write in your copy, that I will say you. Okay, good morning and bye bye.